what's hiding in here.
Time leaves its mark. Let's bring it back to light.
Time has been sitting here. Even the strongest can fall flat. Every scar has a story.
Let's take it all in. Let's see what's inside. Go. Years of silence falling away. Years of silence, but the heart is still here. Sometimes all it takes is the first clean. Even the dirtiest corners can shine again. Every drop revealing the machine beneath. A new life starts from the inside. Every detail deserves a second chance. True restoration lives in the small details. Under the dust, the heart still waits. Layer by layer, the past disappears. After years of silence, the heart begins to wake. Every scar slowly erased. Before the shine, the surface must be perfect. Sometimes the only way forward is to remove the past. Where rust once lived, strength returns. From fire and steel, something stronger is born. Strength first, now comes perfection. Every imperfection erased. The foundation of every perfect paint job. Every masterpiece begins with a strong base. Perfection is in the preparation. To rebuild the beast, the heart must first be removed. This is the heart of the beast. Hidden under the dust, real power. Before power returns, every part must be perfect. Fresh parts, fresh power. The core of every V8 begins to move again. Power means nothing without perfect timing. Even the smallest details deserve perfection. Even the smallest details deserve perfection. Not just rebuilt, reborn.
To be continued.